class 11, in this video you will get to know that what are the problems that the business faces when they want to trade, and what are the services given that smooths the process of trade. Now, business, it basically produces goods and services. And where are goods produced? Goods are produced in the industry. So goods are produced in the industry, and how the business earns money? By trade, that is by selling these goods and receiving money from the consumers or customers. But the process of production till delivery to the final consumer is not that easy. So it may look like that business will produce the goods and then they will be able to sell the products to the consumers and earn money in return. But the process is not smooth. We will talk about commerce now, but just understand first these two. Industry is a form of business where the business engages in production of good, and their aim is to finally sell and trade it in return of money. But the process is not that smooth, because there are particularly some hindrances or problems that the businessman face while trading. So we call that hindrance to trade, and I will be explaining those hindrances. Now, number one is hindrance of person. Now, what do you mean by hindrance of person? Is the products produced by the businessman, the products which are produced by the businessman, they don't know who are the particular customers who will be buying or needing those products. Similarly, the customers on the other hand may have particular demand for a commodity, but they also don't know who is the producer who is producing such commodity which matches exactly to their demand. Because there is lack of communication. We in our daily life want so many variety of goods, and we buy it from a particular place, but we don't know who is their producer. Similarly, the producer's stock runs down through sale to the customers, but they don't know exactly who buys it. And this lack of communication is a problem, because the customers don't know from whom to buy and the producers don't know to whom to sell. So, in order to facilitate and remove the problem of trade and to facilitate trade, there are certain business services or commercial services, and that is where commerce comes in. It smooths out the trading process. So the problem which are faced while trading, commercial service smooths the trading process. So there are many business who are engaged in production of goods, and there are many business houses who are engaged in giving such services that removes the hindrance in the path of trading. So these services are known as commercial service, or they are known as business services, because there are many entrepreneurs or businessmen who don't produce goods, but they are giving services that enhance the process of trading. So what are the hindrances to trade? Number one is hindrance of person. Producers and consumers don't have personal contact. So what is the need? There is a need to have an organized market. When we buy anything, we go to a particular market or a particular shop because we feel that things are available over there which I need in my basket. So, in order to remove the hindrance of person, this problem, there is a need of an organized market which helps in the trading, where the ultimate consumers come and purchase the goods. even if they don't know the producer, they are able to get their commodity from the organized market. And even the producers, without knowing the customers, they are able to sell their products through the organized market. So there are many businessmen who just give the service of an organized market. They take the goods of the producers or the industrial goods, and the customers visit the shops and buys those goods. So this is one kind of commercial service that helps in removing the hindrance and facilitates trade. So we call it aids to trade. So aids means anything which is helping the trade to take place. All those services that helps the ultimate trade to take place. Number 2, hindrance of place. Now suppose a particular bicycle is my need and I am a consumer residing in Kolkata. But the particular bicycle which I am in need is nowhere found within the Kolkata market or within the geographical boundaries of the state. But there is a producer in Maharashtra who is producing the same type of bicycle which I need. But I know that I cannot acquire the product because it is out of my reach, and the producer knows that there is a consumer at a distant place who is in need of that product, and if he is able to sell, he will be able to make money from there. But due to geographical distance, there is a hindrance to trade. So the producer cannot sell the consumer, and the consumer also cannot buy it from the producer due to the separation, geographical separation. So what is the service needed? The service that is needed is transportation. There are many business who offers service of transportation so that the consumers, wherever they locate, they can get easy delivery of the item at the correct place, correct time and in right quantity. And the producers are also helped there, help the sale and to trade to those customers who are out of their reach or they are at a distant place locating somewhere else. So transportation is another service that also eases down the process of trading. Number 3, hindrance of time. Now when production takes place, the businessman don't produce in 1 or 2 quantities because he have so much labor. He has hired many labor services, many are working under him in the factory. He has hired machinery and a huge rent is given for the factory. So every day he tries to produce more than 100 and thousands of products daily. But those 1,000 products are not sold at that moment only. So the time of production and the time of sale, it varies. Because the producer, while producing, never knows whether all the units will be sold to the customers by that time. Customers can visit to the shops according to their need. They will buy the things according to their need. So they don't have any idea, the producers don't have any idea when the consumers will turn up to buy it. So the time of production and time of sale, there is a gap. And in between the gap, if the product deteriorates in quality, if it is not stored properly, then the producers might not be able to recover the price or its value, and they might not be able to profit. So what is needed? The need is to store the product in such condition that even if it is sold after 6 to 7 months after production takes place, then also the product is in proper shape and they can command the right price for the product. So what facility is needed? Warehousing or storage facility is needed, like large godowns, private and public warehouses are there. So the products can be stored. So there are businesses who give storage facility, they charge money for that, but at least help the businesses to store the product correctly so that they are sold in proper condition to the customers. Otherwise they will not buy, or if they buy, they will not pay the correct price. So warehousing facility is also a service that helps the final trading process to take place. Then number 4 is hindrance of finance. Now businessmen, you know that their income is profit which comes afterwards, but they require the capital to produce it. Now sometimes there can be dearth of capital, they might not be having enough capital to continue the production. So if the production stops, then the business won't be able to produce goods and offer for sale and earn profit. So there can be a lack of capital to the business houses. Similarly, consumers might not be having enough money to buy that. Suppose I want to buy a car, but I don't have. So will the trade take place? Will I give money and acquire the car from the business house? No. So there is a certain stoppage in the trade. So the trade is not happening in a smooth way because the customer is willing to buy, but he does not have the purchasing power to go for the commodity. So what is the help required? Banking service. Nowadays we get many loans, easy loans to acquire any properties or cars or anything. So if I get bank loan, it will provide me with ready cash so that I can purchase the thing, and the producer will be able to sell the thing and get money from me. So the trade has taken place. And businessman also needs money or capital for continuing their production process. So they can also take the help of loans from the banks. So banking services are also needed for smooth production, and it also facilitates the customer to take loan. So ultimate